Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this feather outfit and dress to impress for feather theme without VIP. Okay guys, let's get into it. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, first of all, for the face, you're going to choose this makeup style and this hairstyle, color it white, and also this one, color it white as well. Okay, and then we're going to wear item from the style Showdown. So make sure you have the set. Okay, I'm going to go to the dressing room and then we're going to select this dress from the style Showdown. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the culture clothing area. Alright, and you're going to select, oops, sorry, I collect the items that I don't want to put on. Okay, you're going to wear this item, and I'm going to choose this one as well. And we're going to choose this one. Okay, and then wait guys, I'm going to wait, I'm just going to make it all black. We can combine it with the white color guys. Okay, I have done coloring them all. And then we're going to choose this dress as well, and we're going to choose the sleeves only. Okay, choose only sleeves, and then you're going to color it with the black color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, now let's move to the next area. We're going to go to the petal update area, and we're going to choose flower top here, and then color it with the black color and also white. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, and let me color it black and white. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Actually, you can combine it with the other colors, or you can change the color according to the color that you like, but here I prefer black and white color. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!